Hi everyone, today I will show you how to change Roblox profile picture. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. We open Roblox's website. Then we open our profile from a new tab. After doing this, we click on Avatar Shop. Click on Avatar Animations on the right and then click on Emotes. Now from here we select the emote we want to change our profile picture to. If we choose an emote we don't have, our profile picture will not change. So we choose an emote we have. After doing this, we go to our profile page. Right-click anywhere and then click Inspect. Now we have a code that we need to copy. I will put the link of this code in the description section, you can reach the site from there. We select all the code and copy it. Then we come to our profile page. We paste the code we copied. Now we need the digits of the emote we selected. We copied the emote's digits. Now we paste this into the emote asset ID section. Then we press enter. Now we close here and refresh the page. As you can see, we changed our profile picture. If we want to change the animation below, we right-click again and click Inspect. And paste the code. We change the thumbnail type to 2. Then we change the emote asset ID. And we press enter. We are refreshing the page. As you can see, we've changed that as well. If we want to undo this action, what we will do is very simple. Click on Inspect. Then we paste the code. And we press enter. Now we are refreshing the page. We've made our profile picture normal again. Click on Inspect again to change the below. We paste the code. We change the thumbnail type to 2 and press enter. And we are refreshing the page again. As you can see, we have made our profile normal. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video useful for you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.